Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can fix this AMD error on your PC. So to do that, we're going to select the start button, actually search button, and we're going to go to device manager. So let me just do that. Select your display adapters, right click, update driver, search automatically. If it's been installed, go back, browse my computer, let me pick and select the second one and press next. I'm not going to do that though because it's going to restart your PC. If that doesn't work, just right click and properties, driver, and select rollback driver if that option is available for you. If not, you are just going to update your Windows, and those are just the options that you can do to fix your driver not working. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.